Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Audi's insane 2026 Audi campervan Legends Signature Limited Edition is a hyperbolic yet evocative concept that highlights an aspirational leap into the ultra-luxury mobile dwelling market. The idea is that Audi is destroying established luxury campervan giants like Mercedes and Rolls-Royce. Even if Audi hasn't made the announcement publicly, this hypothetical car would surely be the epitome of German engineering, cutting-edge technology, and understated elegance. The outside of the 2026 Audi campervan Legends Signature Limited Edition is distinguished by a design that goes beyond the aesthetics of a typical campervan and embodies Audi's dedication to simple lines, elegant proportions, and subtle aggression. On a bigger scale, the recognizable single-frame grille would be redesigned with elaborate LED matrix headlights that provide a futuristic glow on either side. The bodywork would probably have a smooth, monolithic shape and be made of strong, lightweight materials like aerospace-grade aluminum and sophisticated composites. The vehicle's streamlined appearance would be preserved while transportation by the seamless integration of retractable components for extension, such as slide-out sections for increased living space or a collapsible panoramic roof for stargazing. Its Legend Signature Limited Edition designation would be further enhanced by unique paint jobs and painstakingly designed aerodynamic components. This Audi campervan's insane level of luxury, which aims to outstrip even the most extravagant private jets, would really come to life inside. Using a palette of the best materials, including hand-stitched bridge over leather, carbon fiber or aluminum embellishments, and sustainable wood veneers, the lodge would be a masterwork of minimalist grandeur. A state-of-the-art gourmet kitchen with concealed appliances, an executive lounge space, and a master suite intended for the utmost in peace and quiet, possibly with an integrated en-suite bathroom with spa-like amenities, are all features of the extremely flexible and customizable layout. Every element of the environment, including the lighting, climate, entertainment, and privacy screens, would be managed by smart home automation systems that are operated by voice commands and user-friendly touch interfaces. The clever integration of bespoke storage solutions would guarantee a calm and clutter-free living area. The 2026 Audi campervan Legends Signature Limited Edition would demonstrate Audi's innovative spirit in terms of technology. Modern automated driving features would probably be essential, providing a comfortable and secure journey. Even on a variety of terrains, a smart all-wheel drive system, possibly driven by a high-performance electric or hybrid powertrain, would provide confident handling and smooth travel. Modern infotainment and communication systems, uninterrupted connectivity, and augmented reality screens would provide residents with entertainment and information. An unmatched sensory experience would also be produced by sophisticated climate control, ambient soundscapes, and air purification technologies. Since it would be a limited edition, exclusivity would be crucial, with production quantities being strictly limited and each unit possibly bearing a special designation. This degree of uniqueness, along with Audi's painstaking attention to detail and relentless quest for excellence, would cement its status as a genuine rolling palace, able to challenge and possibly even redefine the standards set by well-known luxury companies in the mobile living market.